Hello class 8. In the previous class you have read about the area of trapezium, and now you are going to understand the area of a general quadrilateral and the area of an irregular polygon. So take a look at this. Student, first of all we have to understand the area of a general quadrilateral. You can see here a quadrilateral ABCD in which we have to find out the area of this quadrilateral ABCD if the given quadrilateral is not in a definite shape. Now, so to find out the area, we join AC diagonal to split the quadrilateral into two triangles ABC and ACT. Here the AC diagonal, and we divide this this quadrilateral into two triangles, that is ABC and ACT. Now draw the BL perpendicular to AC and DM perpendicular to AC, the same diagonal. Now to find out the area of quadrilateral ABCD, we just find out the area of triangle ABC and ACD and then add. So here you can see the area of triangle ABC is 1 by 2 into base into height. Base is AC and height is BL, you can see. And for area of triangle ACD, 1 by 2, base is AC again. AC is the base for both the triangles, into DM, that is perpendicular. Now 1 by 2 into AC is common in both the terms, so we have common 1 by 2 into AC, then BL is left here and plus DM is left here. So the result will be 1 by 2 into D for diagonal, and H1 plus H2, H1 plus H2 are the perpendiculars from the vertices. Okay, so by taking this way we have to find out the area of this given exemplar quadrilateral PQRS. Okay, here PQRS is a quadrilateral and we have PR, the diagonal is 7 cm and QM the perpendicular 2.5 cm, SM the perpendicular is 3.5 cm, and we have to find out the area. So we just find out the area of triangle PQR and area of triangle SPR and add. So area of triangle PQRS equals 1 by 2 into D for diagonal and into H1 plus H2. Here you can see the H1 is 2.5 and H2 is 3.5. So we can take 3.5 plus 2.5. That will be 6. So 1 by 2 into 7 into 6, 2, 3 are 6. So it will be 21 centimeter square. Here the formula is 1 by 2 into diagonal into the sum of the perpendiculars. 1 by 2 into diagonal into the sum of the perpendiculars. I am using here 1 by 2 into diagonal into the sum of the perpendiculars. 1 by 2 into the diagonal 7 centimeter into the sum of the perpendiculars on the diagonal. Okay. Now the most important thing, the area of a polygon. Here I am taking an example. You can see a hexagon ABCDEF, ABCDEF, a hexagon, and we have to find out the area of this hexagon. To find out the area of this hexagon, we just meet one diagonal. We have to draw one diagonal and draw perpendiculars from other vertices, F to AD, B to BL, C to CM, E to EN. These are the perpendiculars. Now it is given AP equals 6 centimeter. AP equals 6 centimeter. It is 6 centimeter. Okay, PL is 2 centimeter. PL, it means this part is 2 centimeter, and LN is 8 centimeter. This is 8 centimeter. NM 2 centimeter. NM is 2 centimeter. And CM is 6 centimeter. Okay, it is, sorry, CM is 6 centimeter and MD is 3 centimeter and FP 8 centimeter. FP is 8 centimeter, so we have to write here FP 8 centimeter, and EN 12 centimeter. EN 12 centimeter. EN 12 centimeter. BL 8 centimeter. Now we have to find out the area of this hexagon. Students, look the hexagon clearly. This hexagon can be divided into a triangle, a trapezium, a triangle, a triangle, a trapezium, a trapezium. So we have to find out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 areas to find out the area of this hexagon. So start with the first one. Area of triangle APF, 1 by 2 into AP into FP, base into height. That will be 1 by 2 into 6 into 8. That will be 24 centimeter square. Area of figure 2, trapezium PNEF, that is 1 by 2 into sum of parallel sides, that is 8 plus 12. These are the sum of parallel sides. You can see here perpendicular, so it will be parallel. So 8 plus 12 into distance between them means this distance, this one between them, PN, that is PN. PN means PL plus LN. It means 2 plus 8. That is 1 by 2 into 20 into 10. 100 centimeter square. Now number 3. Area of this triangle END. One by 2 into base ND into height EN. So 1 by 2 into base ND means NM plus MD into EN, that is 12. Now 1 by 2 into NM is 2 plus 3 into 12. 5 into 6, that is 30 centimeter square. Okay. Now 4 number, area of triangle MDC. 1 by 2 base is MD and height is CM. So 1 by 2 into MD means 3, height is 6. So it will be 9 centimeter square. Now number 5. Area of trapezium MCBL equals 1 by 2 into sum of parallel sides, which means 8 plus 6. These are the parallel sides. So 8 plus 6 into distance between them. Distance between them means LM. So LN plus MNM, that is 8 plus 2. It will be 1 by 2 into 14 into 10, 70 centimeter square. Now the last one, the figure 6. You can see the figure 6, area of triangle ABL equals 1 by 2 into base AL into height BL. You can see AL means AP plus PL into BL means 8 centimeter. So 1 by 2 into 6 plus 2 into 8, 4 ja. It means 8 into 4, that is 32 centimeter square. Now you can see we find all the 6 figures, and to write the area of hexagon A, B, C, D, E, F, we have to add all these numbers: 30, 34, 100, 39, 70 and 32. So it will be 24 plus 100 plus 30 plus 9 plus 70 plus 32. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4, so it will be 265 centimeter square. Okay, students, now I think you understand how you can find out the area of a given polygon. Sometimes in the figure it is all the measurements are given, and you just find out the area of the given polygon by dividing and find out all the sums of the given parts of the polygon. Students, you can also watch me on my YouTube channel, Ocean of Maths. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.